Next year I'll be a senior. So
you got one more year to come up here.
Yeah, I'm excited about it.
Has they already talked to you?
What?
Have they already talked to you?
I think Rocky said they'll hire me again.
They said what?
I think he said he'll hire me again.
That's what he said.
I mean, I like working more anyways. At school I don't know, it's just, I don't like sitting in a chair for 7 hours every day.
I wasn't either. I ain't going to unless I'm paralyzed.
Yeah, like, these people be like, oh, you'll miss school when you get older. Maybe, but I'm not gonna be that.
I don't miss it.
Yeah, that's my mindset right now. I'm not gonna really regret it. I mean, I get to learn some stuff, but still, boredom kills. My history teacher is a good teacher, though. It's one of my favorite teachers that I've ever had.
Oh, really?
Mr. Groves.
What about Austin?
Oh, he's also one of them. My agriculture and history are my favorite classes to go to.
I always like history, too.
Yeah. I like Mr. Randolph's class as well.
Y'all been doing any planting?
Yep.
Who had the cookout over there yesterday? Softball?
Probably.
Down there by the greenhouse.
A cookout.
Yeah. Had the grill set up and everything.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
You don't remember?
Not really. Well, way back ago we did something similar, but it was months ago. I like this bus a lot.
Really?
Yeah, it's like jumpy. I don't know what the word is.
Jumpy.
Old Freightliner.
Old Freightliner.
Yep.
I love them.
It's always buses that use a lot of plastic, usually.
Yeah, plastic.
Yeah, after the bike crash, I rode it back to my house.
You did?
Yeah, it did fine. It's just that the handlebars are a complete mess. Yeah. Hey, it rode back. Like, I'm glad the electronics are fine.
That's the main thing.
Yeah, because that stuff was $2,000. My friend wrecked it.
They don't give that away, do they?
Well, my brother was like, go ask him to get his dirt bike. I'm like, I don't want to ask too much.
Boy, they putting a lot of money in there. They've been better off tear that son gun down and start it over.
Yeah. The Coleman bus.
If they want it down here or up there. What do you think?
I think it'll be fine.
You think